A very good morning to all of you. 7th A. Welcome to the biology class, children. Hope you all are fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in the last class,
Good
children.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. In the last class, we completed lesson number 1, the explanation part. Okay. Now today, have you done the exercise? Exercises were given in the homework.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So today we'll be doing the I'll be telling you, you'll match your answers. Okay. So all of you just open your books. The first exercise, lesson number 1, exercise number 1, objective questions. In that, the first one, please sit with a pencil. Do not use pen. Sit with a pencil. Yes, the first one, select the correct options. Here, the first one is the photosynthetic process mostly removes this from the atmosphere. Options are oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, water vapor. Come on, tell the answer.
Ma'am, carbon dioxide.
It's not the one child who's going to give the answer. I want from all.
Ma'am,
Today,
carbon dioxide.
yes, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the correct answer. So mark it. And what you'll do, you are not going to put a tick mark. What you will do, you will circle the answer. Encircle the answer. Okay? Same way you will be doing in your test and exam also. Now the second one. Organism with heterotrophic mode of nutrition lack this.
Ma'am,
Sugar,
chlorophyll.
chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, oxygen.
Ma'am, chlorophyll.
Yes, chlorophyll is the correct answer. Chlorophyll is the correct answer. Then, third one. That is C. The stomata take in and give out. First is hydrogen, which is not correct. Second, just a minute, children. Yes. Yes. Now, the third one, that is C1, hydrogen is not the correct one. Then you have carbon dioxide, oxygen and water vapor. C, water vapor and oxygen only. Then you have carbon dioxide only. So which one is the correct one?
Ma'am, B.
Yes. Ridhima?
B.
Yes. Correct. So carbon dioxide, oxygen and water vapor, that is B is the correct one. Good. And encircle that. Next. The chemical used to test the presence of starch in plant.
Ma'am, iodine.
Ma'am, iodine.
Iodine is the
Ma'am,
correct
iodine.
answer. Please encircle iodine. Then E. Saprophytes are organisms which live on the other organism, live on dead and decaying organic matter, digest the food by pouring digestive juices on it, and D. Are harmful to us. Which one is the correct one out
Ma'am,
of
option B.
all
Live on
of
dead
these?
and decaying organic matter.
No, beta, listen. First, listen, all of you. Wait. See, A, B, C, D options are given, but when you have the answer, for answer you have only A and D, then you have only B and C, only A and C, and then you have the last one A, B, C, and D are correct. So now tell the answer accordingly.
Ma'am, only B and C are correct.
B and C,
No, ma'am, sorry, B and D.
B and D. What else? Anyone?
and C.
Yeah,
A and C.
A and C. Any other answer?
A, B, C, D.
Ma'am, all of these A, B, C, D.
Ma'am, all of these.
Yes.
Ma'am,
A, B, C, and D are correct. That is the last one. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks. The carbohydrates produced during photosynthesis are stored in plant as
Starch.
starch. Starch is the correct answer. STARCH. Please make it. Please write it down. STARCH. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next, the components of food necessary for the growth and development of our body are called
Nutrients.
Ma'am, nutrients.
Nutrients.
yes, correct.
Nutrients.
NUTRIENTS. NUTRIENTS. Nutrients. Make sure that you write the correct spelling. Next, C. The dash is the ultimate source of energy for all organisms.
Sun.
ma'am,
Sun.
Sun. Sun
Ma'am,
is the
sun.
correct answer. Yes, sun is the correct answer. Please write down sun.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it can be also.
Yes.
Ma'am, can it be sunlight?
Actually, beta sun, the source is ours. So what is the source? It is sun. Okay. But if you write sunlight, it's not incorrect. Write sun.
Okay.
Then, okay. The mode of living on or inside other organism for food is called,
Heterotrophic mode.
Ma'am,
yes,
heterotrophic mode.
Heterotrophic mode.
in or on the other organism. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
parasitic.
parasitic nutrition.
Parasitic. Parasitic. Write down parasitic nutrition. Next, parasitic spelling is there, the same page. Yes, on page number 12. PARASITIC. Then the next one, E. The bacterium dash present in the root nodules of legumes can directly fix atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into soluble form which plant can use.
Ma'am,
Rhizolium.
rhizobium.
Rhizolium.
Ma'am,
Yes,
rhizobium.
rhizobium is the correct
rhizobium.
answer. Please make sure that you write the correct spelling. RHIZOBIUM. I repeat, RHIZOBIUM. Rhizobium. Next, F. Fertilizers and manure are rich in plant nutrients like 3 dash are there.
Urea, ammonium nitrate.
हाँ बेटा.
Nitrogen N,
Urea,
phosphorus
ammonium
P, and
nitrate.
potassium K.
Urea, ammonium nitrate.
See, you, okay, you write down.
Ma'am, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium.
Yes, please write down. Nitrogen, that is NITROGEN. NITROGEN, nitrogen. Then phosphorus, PHOS. PHORUS, phosphorus. and then potassium. Potassium. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have the next one, that is name the following. Navya Singh, please read the first one.
Yes,
Read the
ma'am.
first one.
A parasitic plant.
Yes. Answer. Answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer.
Ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mistletoe.
Huh?
Ma'am, mistletoe.
Mistletoe. Okay. Correct.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, I'm not feeling very well. That's why my voice is
It's
not
okay,
clear.
beta. It's okay. It's okay. Get well soon. Okay. Yes. Now, next is, has everyone written parasitic? You can write cascata also. You can write mistletoe. Okay. It's your choice. One only, but fine. If two are asked, you'll write two. Then second one is a plant that shows both autotrophic as well as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Anyone?
Ma'am, pitcher plant.
Ma'am,
Advika,
can I tell?
first of all, you'll not say can I. I've been telling you since long. You will say
Ma'am,
what
may
will
I
you
May
tell?
say?
I?
May
May
I.
I?
Nobody will say can I. Can means you can. Of course, you can. But when you are asking me, you will ask may because you want permission. Okay. So you will say may I. Yes. So I have already got the answer and I'm very happy that many of you are participating. Good to see that. Yes, correct. Pitcher plant is the correct answer. Pitcher plant is the correct answer. Please make sure that you write the correct spelling. Sorry. So please put off your microphones. It disturbs the class. Written the answer, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now C is autotrophic organism which grow as slimy green patch in ponds or other stagnant water bodies.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
algae.
Algae is the
Ma'am,
correct answer. Yes, Vedant. Good.
Ma'am, algae.
Algae is the correct answer. And for your information, many of the time when you go to different places to visit, yes, and if a lot of water is there, like basically when you visit the zoos and all, so if water is there or at other places also where you find a lot of availability of water, there you see green patches, zameen pe, diwal pe, huh? That green patch is actually the growth of algae. So write down algae, ALGAE, algae. Next is a symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi, or it is alga and fungus. Write down. Any guesses?
Ma'am, may I? A
Yes.
fan.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes,
Tell
yes.
Advika.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Advika.
Advika want.
lichens.
Ma'am,
Wait,
lichen.
let Advika answer.
Ma'am, lichen.
It's not, yes, it's not lichen, it is lichen. Okay, so write down lichen. It is a relationship when they live together. The relationship is called lichen. So LICHEN. LICHEN. Okay, children. Now, moving on to the next one, that is match the following. Now here I told you that you are not going to draw lines, but what you'll do, you will use the correct option number. So here you have the first one, algae. Yes,
Ma'am, may I tell?
Rika wants to answer.
you will say, ma'am, may I tell, and then you will tell your name also. Okay.
Ma'am, may I tell, ma'am?
Ansh Mishra. Even if you tell the wrong answer, it doesn't matter, but you should participate. That is important.
Ma'am, for some work, ma'am, I have came to my village, so ma'am, I don't have a book.
Okay. No problem. Children, if this type of, please listen. Please, all of you listen carefully. When I end my class saying that if there is any kind of problem, post on WhatsApp group, it doesn't mean that you have problem related to what I've taught. Now, if this is the case, Ansh, you are attending the class, if you would have informed me, I would have messaged you, I would have sent the PDF of the chapter. आप समझ रहे हैं इस बात को? Are you getting?
Yes,
From
ma'am.
next time, do not do this. If this is a problem, it is a genuine problem. इसमें डरने की बात नहीं है. You can ask for help. I will send you the PDF. At least you have the matter with you. You can open it and you can see it. Okay? So from next time, please do not do this. If there is such type of problem, at least inform your teacher. Okay? Yes. Anyone else?
Ma'am, may I?
Daniel Khan,
Ma'am, Ridhima.
please put your mic on, Daniel. Okay. So Advika,
Yes, ma'am.
algae,
Ma'am, raw material.
raw material. No.
Ma'am.
Anyone else? Isha Khan?
Ridhima.
Yes, Ridhima.
Ma'am, algae plant like organism.
Yes, algae plant-like organism. Correct. Then
Ma'am, carbohydrates, energy.
Ma'am, may I answer?
wait, not like this. May I answer?
Ma'am,
Who
may
is-
I answer, Isha?
Yes, Isha.
Ma'am, carbohydrate, starch.
Carbohydrate, starch. Correct. Fine. Then carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, may I answer, Isha?
Ma'am, may I, Afan?
Beta, listen, for carbohydrate, yes, for right now, like if she has said starch is correct. But since we have one more, so we are going to change. Okay, so right now just keep writing. We'll make some changes up later. Okay, fine. Because then we'll find out there'll be a problem. We'll end up with a problem. Don't worry. Yes. Aaron. Yes, Aaron. Beta.
Ma'am, may I, Afan?
Okay, Afan.
Ma'am, carbon dioxide, energy.
Carbon dioxide, energy. Okay. Wait, don't write. Let's see. Okay. Then what about iodine? Now iodine we used to test for
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I tell Vedant?
starch. Now you see carbohydrate is also, it can be matched with starch, and here we see that iodine can also be matched with starch. So let's hold on. Okay. What about mistletoe?
Ma'am, may I answer, Ridhima?
Ma'am, may I answer, Isha?
Ma'am,
Okay.
may I?
Isha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mistletoe, partial parasite.
Fine. So mistletoe, partial parasite, confirm. Okay. Then we have iodine for starch. Fine. Then we have carbon dioxide, raw material. Okay. Then carbohydrates, energy. Algae, plant-like organism. I hope it is done now.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I repeat it?
Yes, ma'am.
See, mistletoe, partial parasite. Iodine, starch. So in front of iodine, you will write small Roman 2. Then carbon dioxide, raw material, Roman 5. Carbohydrate, energy, Roman 3. Algae, plant-like organism, that is Roman 4. Okay? Is it done now, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, the fifth one. The fifth one is a simple equation, word equation that represents the process of photosynthesis. So this is very easy. Carbon dioxide plus what?
Ma'am, plus water.
Water. Good. Write down water. W-A-T-E-R. Spelling of water. Carbon dioxide plus water will give dash plus oxygen.
Ma'am,
Glucose
water.
plus oxygen.
So you write down there. First write down water. And it is going to give, where equal to is written, beta, instead of equal to you can also find an arrow. Since you are just beginning with the equation here, that is why arrow has been the equal to sign is there, else it is arrow. So write down starch, S-T-A-R-C-H, starch. Starch plus oxygen. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now make sure that all of you have the answers in your books in proper handwriting. Second thing, your spellings are correct. Date, you have already, I think you have already put the date because I gave the homework in the last class. So see that the date is
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, next we have short answer questions. Now children, please listen very carefully. I will be providing you the answers properly written in manner. You are going to copy it same way. You will write the headings same way, the date as I will write. You will underline all the headings as I'll write, and I will draw the line. The same way you are going to write the question and the answer, and then again you're going to draw a line. So I want systematic work to be done in your science copies. I don't want haphazard work. Fine. I will just write it, and the same way you are going to copy the work once it is provided on the group. Each and every, it may be sometimes that I give some of the question from my side also. For that I will give you prior information, so you need not worry. Okay, I will not give you all the question and answer together. I'll give you in parts so that you are able to do it. Is that clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
don't worry, the same way as it is given, you've been doing in class 6 also. Yes. So as I give, the same way you're going to write. Handwriting has to be very, very proper. Nothing is should be like it's not visible. Handwriting should be proper. Okay. And you will obviously use systematic way as I'll be doing. Okay. Keep drawing the lines, etc. That I'll be instructing you again when I'll give you the work. So this is how we have come to the end of today's class. Your homework for today is you are going to revise and learn the exercises. In the next class, before beginning with the next topic, I will be first asking the questions from this chapter. So till we meet again, take care of yourself, children. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a nice
Have a
day,
nice day,
ma'am.
ma'am.